All right, Social Cam. This is how much it snowed in Boston. Look. Can you see the snow drifts? Look how high it is. That's a pile right there. That's the window. That's how high it is right there. See, the trees are all... This is the best view right here. See that fence out there? I mean, it's at least 2 feet of snow. At least. Crazy. See the bird thing? Unbelievable. Let's see if I can show you. This is a pretty good view too from this window. See how high the snow comes up? Come inside my crazy house where the boys have gone crazy. Davy, be very careful. This boy done climbed up his high chair. Alright, now look at this. This window here. See, you can see where David is. That's the snow all the way up. That high. Yep, it's the snow. It's crazy. It's the most snow I've ever seen in my entire life. I was only 2 years old for the blizzard of '78, so I don't remember all that snow. But this goes down in history. Bananas.